Welcome to Wet Fraternity. In this video, we are going to talk about hyperosmolar hyperglycemic state, that is basically a life-threatening uncommon metabolic state characterized by hyperglycemia and hyperosmolar state from an uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. So basically, you had a diabetic cat or dog that was not being controlled by medication, and now the issue has gotten worse, and there is a life-threatening state of hyperosmolarity in the blood, hyperglycemia in the blood. HSS may or may not have DKA also. DKA, diabetic ketoacidosis, which we have studied in detail in the previous video. You can watch that for the concept of DKA. So DKA can be there along with HSS or not. As far as history is concerned, you are going to have inaptitude, vomiting, lethargy, severe behavior changes, and rarely coma. So the owner will present the animal with these sign symptoms. On your physical exam, you're going to see severe dehydration that is going to be more than 8%. That's why it's a fatal condition. Depression, obtundation, that all basically means the mental depressions, all of that. Neurological signs, convergence, ataxia, muscle twitches, nystagmus, lethargy, coma. Body condition score is going to be decreased. Heart rate is going to be decreased if there is hyperkalemia, along with may or may not be the fever there. As far as diagnosis is concerned, there is extreme hyperglycemia and hyperosmolarity. On CBC, you might have neutrophils increased because of stress or anemia if phosphorus is less. Chemistry, uh, but before chemistry, you are also going to have blood glucose levels that are more than 800. So when we talked about diabetic ketoacidosis, if you remember in the previous video, we have said the hyperglycemia is going to be more than 500. But this is further worse situation, life threatening. Here you are going to have more than 800 milligram per deciliter. Azotemia, electrolyte distribution, increase or decrease potassium, decrease phosphate ions, increased sodium. Urinalysis, you are going to have ketones, pyuria, bacteriurias, and cystitis. And because of this, if you go for urine culture and sensitivity, you are going to have UTIs. Advanced testing, if you go for advanced testing and do the osmolarity, that is going to be increased. It is more than 340 milliosmolars. Normal range is this, and that's basically all due to the excessive glucose present in the blood. Treatment, rehydrate the animal with 0.9% NaCl, replace glucose with sodium and address dehydration. Also prevent overly rapid decrease in sodium. And along with that, of course, you are also treating diabetes, so you are going to use those all same managements and treatment of the insulin and feed management we discussed in diabetes mellitus. Prognosis is guarded because this condition is like life threatening and animal has been like reached to its limit. So most probably you are unable to save patient once this condition arrives. So that was all about hyperosmolar hyperglycemic state. I hope you understood the lecture. Thank you.